Welcome to the Calm Within, your home for all things relaxation and meditation. Be sure to subscribe to get all of our latest guided meditations. If you find our content helpful, drop us a comment and smash that like button. We really appreciate your support. Join us in this guided meditation focused on breathing awareness. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension or stress. Begin by bringing your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing, the gentle rise and fall of your chest or abdomen with each inhale and exhale. Take a moment to fully experience the sensation of breathing. As you continue to breathe, bring your awareness to the feeling of the air entering your nostrils and the rise and fall of your belly. Notice the temperature of the air as it enters your body and the subtle sensation that accompanies each breath. Allow your breath to become your focal point, anchoring you to the present moment. As thoughts or distractions arise, simply acknowledge them and bring your attention back to your breath without judgment or frustration. Take a few moments to deepen your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale fully, releasing any tension or stress with each breath out. Continue this deep, mindful breathing, allowing your breath to be slow and steady. As you breathe, notice the qualities of your breath. Is it cool or warm? Is it shallow or deep? Simply observe without trying to change anything. Allow your breath to be as it is, and with each breath, let yourself relax a little more. As you continue to focus on your breath, you may notice that your mind begins to be quiet. A sense of calmness washes over you. Embrace the stillness and allow it to expand within you. Now, expand your awareness to your entire body. With each inhalation, imagine that you are breathing in healing, positive energy. Feel this energy flowing through your body, nourishing every cell and bringing a deep sense of vitality and well-being. With each exhalation, imagine that you are releasing any tension, stress, or negative emotions. Allow them to dissolve and be carried away with each breath, leaving you feeling lighter and more at ease. Continue to focus on your breath, allowing it to be your anchor in the present moment. Notice how your breath continues to be here and now. Continue to focus on your breath, allowing it to be your anchor in the present moment. Notice how your breath connects you to the here and now, grounding you and bringing a sense of peace and clarity. As we come to an end with this meditation, take a moment to express gratitude for your breath, the constant, life-giving force that sustains you. Recognize that in every breath, there is an opportunity for renewal and presence. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to your physical body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath in, bringing your attention back to the room you're in. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying the calmness and mindfulness from this breathing awareness meditation with you throughout the day. Thank you for joining us at The Calm Within, your sanctuary for peace, mindfulness, and self-discovery. Remember to breathe deeply, embrace stillness, and find solace in the present moment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more soothing content. If you believe our guided meditations can help someone you know, please share it with them. Your support means the world to us and is deeply appreciated. Until next time, may tranquility guide your path, and may you always find the calm within.